In this video, I'll show you how to back up your files from your iPhone to iCloud, especially the app settings. And you can enable the individual settings for different apps, and especially the contact. I really do believe you should back up your contacts to iCloud. And if you get a message about merging the contacts, you should just go ahead and merge them so you don't have duplicate contacts. I have Google accounts and the Apple account, and sometimes they might be the same accounts, the same names multiple times. And you can back up individual files, but with photos you have to be careful. If you use the free plan, only 5 gigabytes you have, and I shouldn't think you should back up your photos to iCloud if you have only 5 gigabytes of storage space. But a lot of the settings for apps and phone history, SMS history, calls history, you can back up these things to iCloud and you will not use a lot of space. Here I use 394 megabytes because of photos, but you can disable the photos and then you can use the 5 gigabyte storage for the app settings basically. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you back up your files to iCloud.